Guys, welcome back. Yes, thanks for taking time to share a cup with us, guys. We are back, and Paola Henderson brought strawberries for me this morning. I sometimes like my strawberries dipped in chocolate. I hope Paola brought chocolate as well, which somehow I doubt. Our health coach, Paola Henderson. I don't know if you guys know, but Paola has been a regular on our show for quite a couple of years.
Yeah.
Lost track of time. But Paola is an Ecuadorian Trini.
Yep. Two nationalities.
Two nationalities. How long have you been in Trinidad?
Oh gosh, since I'm 6, 7 years
6,
old.
7
Yeah,
years.
I came here not speaking a word of English.
Right, and so English is your second language?
Second language.
Yeah, so Paola came to me this morning and she said, Buenos dias, well, ¿cómo está? And I said, because you just came out from Ecuador.
Yes,
and
yes.
you kind of got back into the groove of speaking Spanish.
Yes, yes.
So
So
you have
if
to,
I
like,
if I
switch back.
speak a little Spanish here, that's okay.
I can roll with it.
Muy bien.
See. All right, what are you doing? Strawberries this morning. What's
Yes.
Spanish for strawberries?
Fresas.
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 Fresas. I never have the roll of the tongue.
Ah.
Yeah. I can't do that for the life of me. Let's go, Paola.
Okay.
Strawberries this morning.
Yeah, so this recipe again inspired by my kids.
Yeah.
I decided to make my own jams a few years ago because, well, jams are a really great way. It was first created because it was a really great way of adding that vitamin C's into our meals, right? And all fruits have all different types of vitamins in there,
Yes.
right? And it has its own natural sugar. But looking around into the groceries, I noticed that a lot of our jams have the high fructose corn syrup, and some of them have added colors in it just to brighten it up. As you could see, this is a strawberry jam, but it's not so bright. It doesn't carry that rich red or pink color that you would normally see. Remember, we eat with our eyes. So I said, okay, well, let me make a strawberry jam. So I tested out a few recipes, and what I discovered is that I only need 3 ingredients. Strawberries to make strawberry jam. Strawberries, chia seeds, which we had spoken a while back. Yeah. It's great with protein. And this is actually what was eaten back in the deserts. When they had to cross the deserts, they would just eat a little bit of chia because it expands in water. So it would expand in your belly. Okay. It hydrates you and it keeps you full.
Okay.
Right? So this is really a superfood, like they call it.
It has become very popular.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you can either use agave, organic agave, or you can use honey or 100% maple if you wish. So those are just the only 3 ingredients that you need in order to make this jam.
If I recall, last week you made your own mayonnaise.
Yes.
This week you're making your own jam.
Yes, and it's raw, so it's really not doing much cooking to it. We're just simmering it a bit and that's it.
Okay. So,
right?
This is some of the
Yeah, this is just after it's blended together. We just simmer it there, and then this is the end result. But if it is that you don't like strawberries and mangoes in season, you can try this with mangoes. You can try this with pineapple. Basically anything.
Any fruit jam.
Any fruit jam that you want.
Right,
even the favorite guava that we all like. You can do that with.
Right.
And the chia just gives it a nice consistency because it expands and it binds the end product together.
Right.
And then you just throw
either agave or honey, whichever one you have, yes.
And I'll just do a small little demo here to just show you how simple it is. Right, once this is done, we are going to put it into a pot and just simmer it down. So any kind of liquid just kind of evaporates.
Okay, so you put it over heat.
Yes, over heat, a low heat, maybe for about 10 minutes or so. And it just thickens up.
Right.
And then this is the result. And then this is what you have. You can have this on toast. You can have that with veggie sticks or our cricks that we normally like. So if you want to give this a taste.
Taking time, and then Paola, as I said, gets creative and really shows us how to, some of the things we just pick up on the shelves. There's nothing wrong with that. But really you've been showing us how we can make it healthier.
Yeah, healthier version, and as well as you can make it yourself, make it at home with your kids, your family, test out different types of fruits. And it is jelly, it's jam. You know, and how great, you know, you get your little mason jars and you have it all there, and it's nothing better than eating homemade.
So what I just tasted, right? So strawberries.
Chia seeds.
When you eat jam, sometimes I don't always like jam because it's a little
Too sweet.
sweet or
Yeah.
too tarty sometimes,
Yes.
according to what fruit you're eating. But that was so smooth. You
Yes.
tasted the freshness
Yes.
of the fruit
Yeah,
in it.
and what happens when you eat ingredients that are real and there's nothing, no preservatives
Yeah,
going in
yeah.
or no added sugars in it,
Yeah.
your body just becomes satisfied. So after having a few, you feel okay, you feel fine.
I mean, I had one and I just feel fantastic.
You ready for another one? So, and then this is really good too if it is, you have this and you want to make, say, a milkshake.
Right?
You just adding this to your milkshake, you know,
Yeah.
or over ice cream, or maybe on top of a little cake, or
Yeah.
you know, you just be creative. But
Yeah.
it's just really very simple to make something like this yourself and
Yeah.
feeding your kids and family much better.
I'm cooking with kids on
Oh,
Saturday now.
perfect.
And I think this is really fantastic for parents
Yes.
to take
Yes.
note of, because kids sometimes love jellies, love jams, and you can do your own. It's so simple. 3 ingredients, yes? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3
The
ingredients. I'm sure Paola has this, paolahenderson.com. We'll put a link on our website, trinicooks.com. And yeah, it's very, very simple to do. Make your own jam. She did mayonnaise last week. Jams this week. Who knows what's happening next week? Paola's turning the world upside down healthy. Thank you very much.
Oh gosh, thank you.
Health coach Paola Henderson doing some wonderful stuff, giving us some wonderful tips this morning once again. We're taking a short break. I'm coming back, rolling out a recipe. Next, I have Lady Montano. I am starting Mother's May. Not Mother's Day, Mother's May on a cup of joe. Come on back.